Hey guys, so if you have Phillips 3200 Lattego and you're looking for the best settings, so this is something I found on Reddit and maybe I hope it's going to be helpful. I hope so. So this guy just wrote here, set the grinder to the grind as fine as possible without choking the machine. Decrease the amount of water used, try different amounts and see what tastes the best. So keep in mind that a super auto optimizes convenience at the expense of taste. It will never make coffee as well as good pour over of espresso machine, but you should be able to match the quality of an espresso. And even the person wrote here that they got really better results. So I just found this like really quick tip to save you time, do this, and maybe it's going to be beneficial to you. And yeah, so thank you and hope you're going to have a great day and hope you are going to have a good coffee, because having a good coffee is a good day. So have a great day and goodbye.